Salutations to all our future judges. In this video, there are going to be some important announcements. Our channel has reached 2550 subscribers within a very short span, and we have crossed 65,000 views, 1 million impressions, 4,800 hours of watch time. This all happened because of your support. And in addition to this, your likes and your comments and your sharing has been a great motivation for me to continue these videos. The first announcement is that I would like you to vote and say whether you want me to publish a video with respect to All India Bar Exam. If you vote in majority and say that the video needs to be published regarding All India Bar Exam, in that video, various aspects of All India Bar Exam, namely the qualifications, the number of times you can write the exam, what are all the syllabus, what are all the necessary conditions which are required to be fulfilled, and how you need to prepare yourself for this All India Bar Exam. Everything will be discussed and videos would be published in this regard. And in addition to this, various techniques would also be taught, wherein you'll get an opportunity to know how to clear your All India Bar Exam in the first attempt itself with flying colors. The next aspect is that your voting is given so that you can vote and say whether you want me to publish a separate video specifying the requirements for Assistant Public Prosecutor exam. What are all the requirements, what is the qualification which is required, and what are all the syllabus, and how you need to prepare yourself. Everything will be explained in this video, subject to the condition that majority of the viewers or subscribers vote and say that they need this particular video with respect to Assistant Public Prosecutor exam. Once a majority vote is given, video in this regard would be published so that it would be helpful if you're planning to write your Assistant Public Prosecutor exam. And the next announcement is with respect to our other channel, JET International. As you all know, already a video was published in this channel. If you have not watched that particular video, I'll be providing the link in the description. You can go and watch that video. In addition to this, if you are not subscribed to that particular channel, please do subscribe the channel, since many useful aspects would be published in that particular channel with respect to your idea of practicing in United Kingdom, London, as well as other opportunities which are available in that country for various professionals such as chartered accountants, doctors, businessmen, or people who just want to visit UK. All these aspects would be discussed there, and if possible, certain videos as well as certain photos which could be available at a later stage would also be published. And in addition to this, interviews with respect to people who have succeeded in that particular country, who belong to a different country, who got settled in that particular country and came out with flying colors, would also be published at a later stage, depending on the increase in the subscription as well as the support you're giving to the channel. And in the next video, we are planning to publish photos of UK Supreme Court, wherein you'll get an idea as to how the Supreme Court of UK looks like, both the exterior photos as well as the interior photos. This would give you an idea as to how it would look like if you're planning to practice in United Kingdom. And many do watch the videos, but you don't subscribe the channel. I request you, please do subscribe the channel if you're watching the video. Your subscription is a great motivation to me, and it motivates me to do more new things and implement more good things so that you benefit out of the efforts which are being put into this channel. And please do share the channel with your friends and ask them to subscribe as well. And in addition to this, please do press the thumbs up button and like the videos. If that video was of some use to you, please do press the like button and also do share it with people who are planning to take up some judicial exam. It could be a civil judge exam, or it could be a district judge exam, or it could be an assistant public prosecutor exam, or any other exam which is conducted across India. And the next aspect is that you may be thinking as to why the civil procedure code video has not been published for a very long time. The basic fact is you all requested through a voting that the videos needs to be published with questions. So the plan is this: with respect to CPC, first in the beginning we'll teach certain sections, and after teaching those certain sections, we'll also be preparing questions and we'll be raising those questions to you in the video itself as it is asked in the exam. To simply say, we'll be seeing what are the questions which have been asked in CPC in that particular section, or we'll start framing the questions so that you can start answering those questions, so that you get a real idea as to how the questions are framed and how you can train yourself in answering those questions. In addition to this, this could also be a revision with respect to the subject which has been taught to you. For example, if two sections are taught to you on a particular day or in a particular video, then in that case, questions from those two sections will be framed, and if possible, we'll see whether questions are being asked from that particular section in any other exam. Then we'll try to publish that question also, so that you get to know how the questions are being asked in various exams. It could be either in a particular state or across any other state in India. This would help you to plan your way of getting trained for the exams. I hope this would be of very good utility to you, and I do believe that you will certainly support this good deed by pressing the thumbs up button. And at last, I'd like to thank you for the support you've been rendering all these days to this channel. And in addition to this, I also request you to watch the videos again and again so that you get revised. This would help you during the exams. Let us join hands together and contribute for a learned society. Thank you.